First we take the piece and start welding it. This time we do very poor welding quickly, and it holds, but when you are moving it, it falls off quite easy. Next we make a good welding. We have two pieces there. Where is this? Okay, now you can see. Now we are doing much better welding, and once we pick up the two pieces, they will stick together much better than the earlier one. So you can also see, well, it's a little bit harder. All right, there it goes. So this is the Fulver welding demo.